We're hearing from some of you in the dental industry tonight who say it's too early to go back to work. We wanted to know, what do the experts say?
Yeah, they're sounding the alarm in a sense. Jenny Young is live tonight getting answers to some of your questions. Jenny?
Well, Jennifer, even the experts have some questions. And as you both mentioned, Governor Brown did say in order for these offices to open, they have to have enough PPE and be able to follow CDC guidelines on infection control. But for a lot of the dental professionals I talked to, they say that is not putting their mind at ease. Calls, emails, and messages on social media. Today, when Governor Brown gave the green light for dentist office to open as early as next week, we almost immediately started hearing from dental professionals.
It's scary. It's really scary.
A dental hygienist from Portland emailed KOIN 6 saying she's floored that the risk to dental hygienists was not addressed. Another hygienist shared a letter she sent to the governor outlining her concerns. In it, she says, "I don't want to kill our vulnerable patients in the name of oral health."
I don't think the dental field should be in phase one. Our understanding was about June 15th we would be going back.
Brittany Jackson has been a dental assistant for the last 5 years. She's been homeschooling her kids since her office closed last month. She got emotional for a moment as she talked to me about the stress and fear she has about returning to work by May 1st.
Sorry.
We did some research, and according to the World Economic Forum, dental hygienists have one of the riskiest non-hospital jobs during a pandemic. That's based on 3 factors: contact with others, physical proximity, and exposure to disease.
There's a lot of concern over aerosolizing the virus when you do a procedure in dental. And so we're waiting to have some detailed discussions on how do we minimize risk for both the staff and patients when we perform procedures with high-speed tools.
Max Jenisic runs several health and dental clinics in the Gorge. He's meeting with dental experts and government leaders next week to address concerns. The governor also said that the state is going to have to proceed with caution, and it's possible we might even have to take some steps back. Reporting live tonight, Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.
And we're going to continue to hear much more about this as that May 1st date approaches. Jenny, thank you.